So this is a female cockatiel who had egg binding issues. She has recovered. Today is day 4th and she has laid her egg. We saved her life. But still she is on treatment. So we're going to give her injection, last injection of vitamins today. Okay, it's okay. She is eating food well?
Yes.
And how many eggs she has laid till now?
2 perfect egg and 1 punctured egg.
Okay. So we're gonna give a break for 5 minutes now, and I'll be giving another injection. So when she had laid egg, and her vessels were broken and that caused bleeding, and on this abdomen part, this vent area, there was a lot of blood clotting, but after giving injection and oral medication, that's clear. Even the stool was blocked here because of dehydration. So everything is clear. She laid that this contaminated dropping, she passed it out. There was a lot of clotting here. Everything's fine now. She is free from infection. See this. All clear. And can she fly now?
Yes,
Yeah?
perfectly.
So we're gonna give a break for 3 to 5 minutes. So she's flying back on.